I found most encouraging in Chinese economy is the recovery of property sector in China. I think this is probably the most encouraging development than the policy-driven investment in infrastructure, because if the recovery that we have seen in Chinese property sector can be sustained, this should be underpin organic domestic demand beyond 2009 when the policy stimulus effect start to phase out. And this is very important to help sustain growth in China. I'm of the view that there has been no property price bubble in China in the first place, and fundamentally Chinese property sector is sound, and what we observed in 2008 is mostly a buyer strike, and there has been strong expectation that property price will come down, and buyers can afford a property, but they choose not to buy it. And now the buyer strike seems to be ending. Part of the reason being that the developers now have a renewed access to bank lending, and the pressure on them to cut prices, to promote sales, to improve cash flow is not there. And this help change the expectation of a property price direction and help end the property the buyer strike in this market. And now we see the decent recovery in property sales, and we believe the property sales recovery is sustainable and will eventually translate into investment in the property sector, which is mostly market-based, private investment, and therefore autonomous, less dependent on the policy stimulus. In fact, the recovery in property sales already has positive impact on China's consumption. Look at this chart. This is retail sales. I want to highlight two data points. Lower left chart, the green line, that's where the green shoot is. Lower left, the green line, it showed a very sharp increase in that. That's the construction and decoration material sales. I think that's related to housing. It shows quite a significant slump in 2008 as property sector softened, and now it shows very strong rebound. Another line I want to highlight is lower right chart, and also where you see this light blue line also show very strong recovery. That's the hardware and electric materials, which related to construction. And on the same chart, the blue line, that's the furniture sales, decent rebound, again, related to property sales.